Bellary, a small city in Karnataka. With population little over 4 lakh, this place is heartfelt. Here, everyone knows everyone, and people are filled with love and joy. Here is where my heart is. Here is where my home is.
This great man, Pola Venkaya Shetty, built the house for his family, a house that was so big it could host 200 people, home for 3 generations of the Pola family. This is a paradise he built with hard work and love. What does this 80-year-old house mean to us?
Hi, I am Rajni, the 11th and the youngest daughter of Srimati Bala Lakshmamma and Sri Pola Venkaya Chetty. I have 4 brothers and 6 sisters, all of them elder to me. The Pola house was a paradise not only for the family but also for the extended families and the guests. People don't believe when my children tell them that they have 37 first cousins. There was abundance all around as the men worked hard outside and the women inside the house. Everyone thinks my father was a very strict person. I feel he is very hard working and giving person, not only to the family but to the society as well. My parents will always have a special place in my heart, and if at all there is Punarjanma, I would like to be born in the same family again and again.
నాకు చిన్నప్పుడే పెళ్ళయింది. పోలా ఫ్యామిలీకి వచ్చినాను. నేను పెద్దకోడలుగా ఉన్నాను. మా ఫ్యామిలీ చాలా పెద్దది. మా మామగారికి 7 జన ఆడబిడ్డలు, 4 మగబిడ్డలు అంతాను. వచ్చినప్పుడు నాకేమీ తెలుస్తూ ఉండలేదు. అంతా మా ఆడబిడ్డల జట్లో ఆడుకుంటూ ఉంటే చేస్తూ ఉంటే అంత తర్వాత అత్తమ్మ అంతా నేర్పించి ఇట్లుండాలా అంతా చెప్తా ఉండే ఏమీ అనేది అంతా. మాకిప్పుడు 5 జన్మ బిడ్డలు. ఆ ఫ్యామిలీ ట్రీ కూడా రవిచ్చినారు, బాగుంటుంది ఇది అంతాను. ఊర్లో అంతా మా మామగారు చాలా పేరుంది, మామగారికి అంతా పోలా వాళ్ళు ఉంది. ఇంట్లో అంతా వచ్చినప్పుడు చేసినప్పుడు అంత ఖుషిగా అంతా బాగా టైంపాస్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాం అంతాను. ఎట్లు పొద్దుపోతా ఉందో గుర్తవుతూ ఉండలేదు. అందరూ వస్తూ ఉండ్రి అంతాను. బాగుండే అంతా అదొక తెలుసుకుంటూ ఉంటాం. మాకు
అందరూ వచ్చినప్పుడు
ఊరి పైన ఉంటా ఉండ్రు, అందరూ కలుస్తుండే.
Growing up in a joint family was quite a bit of fun. I was part of the family with around 35 members during my time. That is about when I was 10-year-old, we were 35 members in our family. It was quite fantastic and fun. We had about 10 siblings who are in the range of my age during that time. But when we grew up, we were going to the school with about 7 to 8 members in one scooter. We had an attached scooter. We never felt lonely even at 20 or 25 years of age. We always had someone to look up to. Either you would have a close cousin, one of whom would be closer for life, and you can't describe the kind of fun you would have in joint family. So during those days, people, the only holiday kids had was going to their granny's place. You would have cousins who will be exactly your age, about 4 to 5. And 2 years up and down, you will have about 15-20 people, playing together. Just imagine the vibrancy that will, help you. And mind you, folks, these cousins are even close to me now. I am at 43. They are the closest people I have known even now. So that kind of bonding you can never get in any kind of setup. Then there is a grey area. Grey areas, of course, is like we always used to have competitions. And this competition used to be either in studies or, the physical activities or learning something or being one-upmanship and then groupism, all the things, all the masalas that you want, you would get in this this part. And the negative part of joint family is probably you may not experience the freedom that you would expect now, but that is very small price compared to what gains that you would have had. So right from having a common breakfast, or having 2 or 3 toilets for taking bath and waiting for your turn, it won't be any kind of a dull feeling or a day in your joint family life. That will definitely never happen. They can't be a situation where you will feel that I'm bored or stuck in life. So you always have a pipeline of kids coming up. Then you grow with the kids, or you have elderly people, and then you have so many activities that you will never feel that you are missing something out.
House number 19, one of the oldest and the biggest families in Bellary. This house was filled with madness, and we would make a great TV show. Over 25 people, 11 rooms, 4 kitchens, 3 halls, and total madness. This is the house I grew up in. With so many annoying yet incredible cousins of mine, my experience in this house has been magical. During weddings and festivals, this house would be filled with even more people and abundance of warmth. After a typical family drama, all of us at home would come out in the evening, sit, talk, laugh, and play games. I'd call myself really lucky to have a childhood like this.
My identity, the place where my heart is.
L'amour.
Blessing.
Togetherness.
Heaven.
Selfless bonding.
Lots of memories.
Powerhouse of emotions and memories.
Cheerful.
Happiness.
Legendary.
Years of my learning.
Youth.
Creative.
Lots of fun.
My treasure.
Amazing childhood experience.
Texture of bonding.
Togetherness.
Packed with emotions.
Lovely co-sisters. దేవుడి గుడి లాంటిది, అమ్మ ఒడి లాంటిది.
But they say all good things come to an end. So did this.